Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's requested video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva branding feature to add your brand colors, your logos, and your fonts and create on-brand designs every single time you create something on Canva. As an Etsy seller, one way to stand out amongst your competitors is building a solid brand, and you do so by making sure that all of the digital assets that you use to market your shop has your logo, your branding, and colors, and even fonts, and you don't deviate from them. So if you want to learn how to use Canva Brand Kit, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Also, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you grow your Etsy business. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of every single new video that I upload. So let's head over to my computer to get started. So here we are on canva.com, and we're actually using the Canva Pro in order to be able to access Brand Kit. So if you're interested in trying Canva for 30 days, you can actually do so. I will leave my affiliate link right below this video and you could try them out for 30 days. Now, once you have the Canva Pro and you're ready to set your brand kit, all you need to do is head right here. It says Brand Kit. And here is really neat because you're able to upload your brand logo, you're able to upload your fonts, and you're able to add all your branding colors as well, like your color palette. Now, when you upload your logo, I recommend uploading the logo as a PNG file. That way you could have that transparency in the background and you could put your logo on top of any color or any item. Your branding colors, I suggest adding them, all of them here. And then for fonts, you could either use the ones that are free for commercial use from Canva, or you could upload a font that you purchase with commercial rights. So either way. And then once you have it here saved, the best part about having this brand kit is that it's going to ensure that every single time you create any type of material for your Etsy business, whether it is a social media post, maybe you're doing a newsletter, maybe you're doing your Etsy mockups, your colors, your fonts, and your logos are actually saved already in your computer, in the brand kit. You don't have to upload them every single time, and it's going to save you a lot of time. In addition to that, guys, don't forget that if you want to stand out in a saturated market and stand out from your competitors, branding is one of the number one things you have to do. So this is a really easy step that you could start doing from here on. And once you're ready to create your product, let's say I'm going to create a Pinterest post, just to kind of give you an idea how easy this is. So let's say I'm going to do a Pinterest post. This is my Canva here. So what I could do is I could kind of play with it. So I could go to colors if I wanted to. And I have my branding colors here. So I could pick any of these. So let's go ahead and play with these. So I could do that one. I could do this one. So I'm going to do the light pink right there. Or maybe this one. So there you go. That's the one I wanted. So here goes my color. This is my branding color. This is my font that I use. So I'm going to say 10 ways to make money on Etsy. Let's say that's what I'm going to be talking about. So I could put here, and then I could put click. I'm going to put my call to action. Click to learn more. And this is just to kind of give you an idea of what I mean about the convenience of having your colors and logo and everything else in here. And then once I'm ready to add, let's say my logo, I could go to folders and I will go to logos, and I have my logo here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it down here in the bottom of this, which is pretty cool. And then once I have that, I could do other things obviously with this as well if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and go to, just to kind of finish the product, I'm going to go ahead and put blogger and grab a photo from here. So I'm going to go ahead and use maybe this photo here. So I'm going to put this as a background like that. position back, and I'm gonna position this a little bit more on the white area so you can actually see it a little bit more. And then this right here. So let's say this is actually my Pinterest pin. As you can see, it didn't take me too long to create. I have my logo, I have my branding color, and then I have my font for branding purposes as well. So this is how easy it is to save all of these things in Canva under the brand kit, and then use it every single time that you're creating material for your Etsy store, for your blog, and everything else that you need to create. So let me know in the comments below if you knew about this, if it's your first time hearing about it, if you enjoyed the video, and what other types of videos you would like me to create, because this was a requested video. So if you have any that you would like me to create, let me know below, and thank you guys for watching.